I also invited the Dalai Lama to come to Stanford, so I ended up spending a lot of time making all the plans for his visit. It was his first visit to Stanford, and I decided to design something that was genuinely educational and would really benefit a lot of people. I had 2 days of full morning seminars in which the Dalai Lama would hear presentations from 8 different faculty members who were doing special research. Women's studies, history, all kinds of fields, science. The Dalai Lama is greatly interested in space and science, and also neuroscience. People would give a 30-minute presentation of their research ideas and what they were trying to show. A woman in anthropology tested the Dalai Lama by saying that, there are some societies that are matriarchal in which the lineage runs through the female, and sometimes when they organize themselves, the leadership is always going to be female. Could that ever happen in Buddhism? And she was really pressing about the male dominance of Buddhism. And it was absolutely great and very thoughtful exchange between them.
Yes, we received the Dalai Lama as well, yes. Yeah. And we had a dinner for the Dalai Lama. But he was easy. I mean, he ate anything, and he was, very congenial and always in good spirits. Yes, he did come, yeah.
And I remember going to see the Dalai Lama in the very far distance. I remember being there. I could not tell you what he spoke about. I did read his book about happiness a couple of years ago, which I thought was excellent.
Dalai Lama, how many times do you have the Dalai Lama come to your office? And, that was a really special experience, having him come here.
The Dalai Lama spoke when I was in grad school, which just felt like the most incredible privilege of all time to be sitting in the presence of the Dalai Lama and them too.
The peace, happier society, compassionate society, that's goal, a common goal. That's everybody's interest. So the education, mainly I think education field, you have, I think, very important role to cultivate from the kindergartens, cultivate about nonviolence, about dialogue, about reconciliation. These, I think, very important. Now these young people, you are the people who belongs 21st century. My generation belongs 20th century, already gone. Now ready to say goodbye. So these young people, now you should think how to bring this century, more peaceful century, more compassionate century. So, peace, compassionate, does not mean no longer any problem. Problem there. So long human being there, human interactions there, different interests, different views, always there. That's the source of conflict. Right? So now we have to, that reality, how to face that reality? Through talk, through dialogue. With wisdom, there is no other alternative, only through talk. That's the wisdom side. Then respect others' interest, genuine sense of concern of others' well-being. That's the basis. So combine these two things, genuine spirit of dialogue can develop. What do you think? Do you agree? Thank you.